Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Moringa leaves or red Chowli Subzi, dry Subzi. For that I have taken around 2 cups of Moringa leaves finely chopped and kept here. There's around half cup of sprouted red Chowli I have boiled and kept. Now I am giving tadka. In this I have added mustard seeds, urad dal and tuar dal. Little bit jeera goes in. Hing powder. In this I have added salt and turmeric powder. Now saute this well. As you all are aware, the moringa leaves, moringa drumstick, the flower, everything is used for making various dishes. Saute this for few minutes and cover and cook it. Then afterwards we will add the boiled red chowli in it. Then finally we will add the crushed green chili, coconut and cumin seeds in this. Or you can add masalas as per your wish, red chili powder or dhania powder and all, your basic masalas. I'll cover and cook this for 5 minutes. This is cooked. Now we will add the chowli in this. Stir well. Check the salt and add if you need. I have added the crushed coconut in this with green chili and cumin seeds. Now we will give a good mix to this. Two minutes we will keep it in the gas, then we will switch off. So our moringa leaves red chowli sabji is ready to serve along with rice, chapati. You all know the medicinal value and benefits of moringa leaves and drumsticks and the flower. I have made few dishes out of the moringa leaves and flower. I will give the link in the description box. This quantity I have just taken randomly. You can take as you wish. Half cup of chowli I have taken and 1.5 cup to 2 cups of moringa leaves I have taken. Masalas according to your taste you can add. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. The moringa leaves, flower and the red chowli sprouted bhaji is ready to serve along with the rice, chapati. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video.